I wish to put clause 5, 6, and 7 without amendments. I wish to put clause 5, 6, and 7 without amendments.
5, 6, and 7 without amendments. Members, the person piloting the bill. That's not a joke, you know. 5, 6, and 7. Oh, you don't ever do that, member. Marshall, please. Angela Brown Burke, I name you. Outside. Marshall, go for her. Angela Brown Burke. Members, I name Angela Brown Burke and ask that she be removed from the chamber. Those in favor? Those against, the ayes have it. Member outside. Standing order under Rules of Order number 43, subsection 2. The Speaker or Chair shall order any member whose conduct is grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the House during the remainder of the day sitting, and may direct such steps to be taken as are necessary to enforce such order. Member Angela Brown Burke, member.
Madam Speaker.
House
Madam
Leader.
Speaker. Madam Speaker, I hereby move. Madam Speaker, I hereby move that the member for St. Andrews South be suspended for the rest of the duration of the House.
Those in favor? Those against? Clerk? Members.
Madam Speaker, for the avoidance of doubt, our chairman, the motion that is being moved is that the member for Southeast St. Andrew is suspended for the remainder of the sitting.
Members.
Madam
Member Marshall, could you please remove
Madam
the member
Chairman.
immediately? Immediately remove the member. You are instructed to please immediately remove the member from the House.
Madam Chairman, we were proceeding quite effectively in going through the clauses of the bill. I think what we are witnessing now is a display which, when we reflect on this in years to come, it will not be amongst our best. And I think the order of the House and dignity of the House must be preserved. And I would invite all members to join in preserving that dignity of the House. You are the members.
Please follow the rules of the House, members. And yes, if a member behaves out of order, the standing orders allow for the naming of said member. The rules of the House are serious and we should not take them for joke. Marshall, could you please explain to the member the rules of the House and the next action that follows if she does not remove herself from the House? Please explain, based on the rules of the House, what happens next. Let me expect no. If she does not follow the rules, she will be suspended. Members, I am suspending the committee and resuming the House. Marshall, could you lift the mace, please? Suspending committee. Marshall, could you raise the mace? Whether they're seated or not, raise the mace. That's the instruction. Members, we're back in the House. Member Angelo Brown Burke, the member from St. Andrew Southwestern. I am asking that you appreciate that you have been named by the chair in committee and you are named by the Speaker of the House for disorderly conduct. Member, at no time can you grab the mace in Parliament. Not even in jest, member. And not in protest either, member Burchell. Members, member, do not leave. Member, do not leave. None of you. Members, members, again, I'm at the House. I am going to ask that we put to a vote the removal of the member. Yes. House Leader.
Southeast or southwest? Southwest. Madam Speaker, in accordance with there's no debate. In accordance with Standing Order 43-4, I move that the member for St. Andrew Southwest, St. Andrew Southwest, be suspended for the duration of the rest of the sitting of the House.
Those in favor?
Madam Speaker.
Those against? Those against? No, that's not allowed. Those against? Those against? The ayes have it. Members, I'm going to suspend the sitting of the House for 5 minutes. We will be back at 10:50. Those in favor? Those against? The ayes have it.